Hi, I'm Orly,
And I'm Noelle.
and we're here with PreVeil's Compliance Corner. Today's CMMC domain that we're going to talk about is maintenance. Well, why don't you kick it off?
Sure. Maintenance can be broken down into three high-level areas. The first being periodic checks of elements within the organizational infrastructure. The second, verifying that those elements are operating as expected. And third, performing activities to ensure those elements continue to work as intended.
Why don't we talk about maintenance schedules?
Sure. So maintenance is part of an overall system lifecycle, right? And so if we think about our physical facilities, when we have a visitor or someone who comes in, we log that they showed up and their name and for what purpose they're here, things like that. We want to sort of adopt the same posture for maintenance, right? We want to know why we activated a privileged account and went to make system changes. Was it a planned change? Was it an unplanned change? Is it just simply preventative? What's the nature, so that we can show that to the assessor in the future? So a lot of organizations, this kind of detail would be captured in like their managed service provider's ticketing system or something like that. So it would just be good to know that these things are taking place and that you've got an overall record for it. So this need not be an Excel spreadsheet somewhere. It could just as easily be a report of ticketed tasks that were performed throughout the month or whatever it might be. Something that you can grab easily and get in front of an assessor to show them that you are managing that life cycle and that we are doing things like scheduling patches and updates or doing flaw remediation or fixing a misconfiguration, whatever it might be.
And if I can just jump in, it seems like the important part here is that you have some sort of schedule maintenance, right? That it isn't ad hoc.
Yeah, even if you're just doing a biannual firmware update or something like that for a system that's relatively stable and boring, that can be valuable. It's also good just to go in and collect certain information from systems to make sure that there's no, non-conformities you weren't aware of. This is really tied deeply into the configuration management aspects and the flaw remediation aspects of the model. It's just kind of a functional part of it.
We hope you enjoyed this video.
And if you enjoyed this one, please check out the 13 others we have in this series.